Hi everyone, today I'm going to share 3 effective tips to find relief from plantar fasciitis right at home. Tip 1. Stretch and exercise. Plantar fasciitis often results from tightness in the foot ligament and tendons. Stretch and exercise can help alleviate this tightness and reduce pain. Try stretching your calf muscle, Achilles tendon at the bottom of your foot regularly. Stretching. Tip 2. Ice massage. Ice massage or frozen water bottle can be incredibly calming and relaxing for plantar fasciitis. Roll a frozen water bottle or use an ice pack on the bottom of your foot for 5 to 10 minutes every day. This helps to reduce inflammation and numbing pain. Tip 3. Supportive footwear. Wearing supportive footwear is crucial for managing plantar fasciitis. Find a shoe with good arch support and cushioning to reduce strain on your feet, and also consider using a prefabricated insoles or custom applied insert for additional support. Remember, these tips can provide relief from plantar fasciitis, but if your symptom is still present, make sure to call our office. Take care of your feet and stay healthy.